Hello, for today's video, I'm going to point out how to access the Chilton Library, a tremendous automotive resource, through the St. Louis Public Library's digital content. The first step is going to be go to our website and log in at the top right with your card and PIN number. Once you've logged in, you're going to want to scroll to digital content and click on automotive repair and driving. I've preloaded the tabs to save us some time. And here you'll see the Chilton Library. Chilton is a great do-it-yourself resource that includes repair manuals, maintenance tables, as well as cost estimates for work performed on a car, both at a dealer or a private repair shop. I'll point out All Data is another tremendous resource. Unfortunately, it is not currently available online. So let's go ahead and click on Chilton. It'll take us here. And I'm not going to point out every feature included in the Chilton Library. However, I thought it would be good to do a sample car. So say you wanted a maintenance table on your Toyota Camry. Let's try a 2010 Toyota Camry. And when you search the model, you'll have several different resources. You'll have repair guides, maintenance tables, labor estimates, as well as bulletins and recalls. I've went ahead and pulled up a maintenance chart. So here you can pull up your car and see every 5,000 miles you need to service or inspect your brakes, brake pads, engine coolant, fuel system. It goes through tire rotation. So this sort of information might be helpful. It talks about recommendations and looking ahead. So I'll let you go ahead and have fun with the Chilton Library. I hope you've enjoyed our video for today. Be safe and take care.